UW River Falls has been providing students with industry-level experience in ice cream and cheesemaking since its dairy pilot plant opened in 1982. Using milk that they collect from the university's own Man Valley Farm, students make and sell fresh products to the community.
As an educator, I truly enjoy seeing the students be excited about the dairy industry. By the time that they have worked in the dairy plant, they've been able to experience other facets of the food science program, that they really find their niche, and I'm able to connect them with a company that they would be a good fit for, and they're happy, and they leave here knowing that they have a really good job, they know they have a future, and that's pretty cool.
Honestly, I had no idea that food science existed when I was a senior in high school. I was looking into going into engineering or something along those lines. I came here for a tour and I was looking up at the window above the dairy plant, and that's kind of when it all came together for me. I was like, I want to be here. I want to be in that dairy plant. I want to be there making ice cream. River Falls is where it felt right for me.
The dairy pilot plant is currently undergoing a multi-million-dollar renovation project to modernize its equipment and processes using funds from the state, university, and industry partners.
When the thought of expanding the program was mentioned, there were a lot of companies that came up and contributed financially, which says volumes about what this university means to the dairy industry. And I think the entire state should be proud of that, because we really do have a wonderful gem on this side of the state.
While no grand opening date has yet been set, Michelle is hopeful for completing the project in the fall of 2021.
Can't even tell you how wonderful it would be to have it done and to be able to make cheese and to make ice cream again and have students working. I mean, that's what we're here for.
And now you know you're Wisconsin.